Hey everyone, Will with Appspace here. I'm at InfoComm 2026, and I just want to talk a little bit about room scheduling, right? Appspace is a workplace experience platform. We have a lot of features and functionality around workplace management, so desk booking, room booking, et cetera. And part of that is tying the digital, right, all those room calendars, to the physical space. So we do that by connecting to various room panels. Now we have tons of hardware partners. We want to work with the technology that fits best for your space. So for example, here's Appspace experiences for room booking running on the Logitech Tap Scheduler, NeatPad. We've got a Cubic panel here, as well as one from IDEA. And in the other parts of the booth, we've got a Cisco Navigator. We have the new Crestron TSS 1080, right? So again, we're going to fit that hardware stack that you want to run on. Now, one thing I want to particularly point out over here is this IDEA panel, their WRP 1000. In this case, this is brand new. It's their MDEP certified panel, right? So Microsoft Device Ecosystem Platform, brand new from Microsoft. If you know, you know, right? It's a secure, scalable way to deploy Android devices and manage them in Intune. Kind of a big deal. And IDEA, working with Appspace, is the first out there with a room panel that is MDEP certified. So the same native Appspace integration, allowing you to show room scheduling, customize the workflows, who can book, how can they book, how far out, all that kind of stuff, but on an MDEP certified device. And you're going to see more of that to come. So if you want to learn more about Appspace's space management platform as a whole, the type of hardware we work with to bring that connection into the physical workplace, or about MDEP as well, you can visit our website at www.appspace.com.